If you blindly apply the 0.95 rule to your 20-minute power test, you are statistically likely to set your training zones dangerously high and burn out within 6 weeks. FTP is scientifically defined as your maximal lactate steady state, the precise wattage where lactate production equals clearance. The industry standard shortcut is taking your best 20-minute power and multiplying it by 0.95 to estimate this hour-long capability. But here is the physiological trap that catches even experienced coaches. That 5% deduction is merely an average. It assumes a specific ratio between your aerobic and anaerobic contribution that rarely exists in amateur athletes. If you are anaerobically gifted, meaning you have a high VLaMax, you can muscle through 20 minutes way above your threshold. For you, the multiplier should be closer to 0.90. Using 0.95 will set your zones so high that sweet spot work becomes destructive threshold work. Conversely, diesel athletes with massive aerobic engines but no sprint might sustain 98% of their 20-minute power for an hour. If they use the 0.95 rule, they will undertrain. This is why the ramp test is often inaccurate. It heavily favors athletes with high anaerobic capacity. The only way to verify your number without a lab is to analyze your workout failure points. If you cannot complete 3 sets of 10 minutes at your supposed threshold, your FTP is set too high. If threshold intervals feel sustainable with controlled breathing, your number is likely accurate. Moving forward, stop testing when you are taper fresh unless you plan to train taper fresh. Test every 6 weeks under normal fatigue to get a usable training number. Prioritize the 2 by 8 minute protocol or a full 40 to 60 minute effort if you want the unvarnished truth. Test for training zones, not for vanity numbers.